What's something people don't know about Mars? From the dawn of humanity, the red planet Mars has captivated our imaginations. Shining brightly in the night sky, it beckoned with mysteries and the promise of other worlds. Over centuries, we've gone from spinning tales of Martian invaders to launching ever more sophisticated probes to uncover its secrets. This is the story of our enduring fascination with Mars. From ancient observations and early science fiction dreams to the groundbreaking discoveries of robotic explorers, we've come a long way. Join us as we delve into the past, present and future of Mars exploration, uncovering the latest findings, examining the technological marvels that make these missions possible, and pondering the implications of one day perhaps becoming an interplanetary species. Our celestial neighbour Mars is a place of stark beauty and harsh realities. Smaller than Earth, about half the size, its reddish hue, a result of iron oxide, yes, rust, sets it apart in the night sky. Even with a simple telescope, you can make out distinct features on its surface. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system, dwarfs Mount Everest, and Valles Marineris, a canyon system so grand it makes the Grand Canyon look like a ditch, cuts across the Martian landscape. For millennia, humans have observed Mars, weaving stories and myths around this celestial wanderer. Ancient civilizations tracked its movements, charting its course through the heavens. The Egyptians called it Horus the Red, while the Babylonians named it Nergal after their god of war. But it was the invention of the telescope that truly revolutionized our understanding of Mars. No longer a mere point of light, Mars transformed into a world with surface features, ice caps that waxed and waned with the seasons, and an atmosphere, albeit thin, hinting at the possibility of, well, life. The journey to unravel the mysteries of Mars began in the 1960s. The US and Soviet Union set their sights on the Red Planet. In 1965, Mariner 4 sent back images of a cratered, barren world. Mars was a dry, desolate wasteland. In 1971, Mariner 9 became the first spacecraft to orbit another planet. It revealed giant volcanoes and canyon systems. Then came the Viking era. In 1976, Viking landers touched down on Mars. They searched for signs of life. The results provided valuable data about Martian soil and atmosphere. The late 20th and early 21st centuries ushered in the era of the Mars rovers, robotic explorers that would transform our understanding of the Red Planet. In 1997, Sojourner, a small six-wheeled rover, bounced onto the Martian surface, capturing the world's attention. Though operational for only a few months, Sojourner proved that rovers could successfully explore the Martian terrain. Then came Spirit and Opportunity, twin rovers that landed on Mars in 2004. These robotic explorers, far more capable than their predecessor, embarked on epic journeys across the Martian landscape. Spirit explored for 6 years, while Opportunity, exceeding all expectations, continued its mission for an astonishing 15 years. These intrepid explorers found compelling evidence that liquid water once flowed on Mars. They discovered minerals that form in the presence of water, explored ancient lake beds, and sent back breathtaking images of a world both familiar and alien. NASA's Curiosity rover, a car-sized mobile laboratory, landed in Gale Crater in 2012, marking a new era of Martian exploration. Curiosity, with its advanced scientific instruments, has been exploring Gale Crater for signs of past life. Its findings have been groundbreaking. Curiosity found organic molecules and confirmed Gale Crater was once habitable. In 2021, Perseverance joined Curiosity, searching for signs of ancient life. Perseverance brought Ingenuity, the first powered flight on another planet. Decades of robotic exploration have painted a fascinating, albeit complex, picture of the Red Planet. We've learned that Mars is a world of stark contrasts, with towering volcanoes, vast canyons and polar ice caps that grow and shrink with the seasons. One of the most significant discoveries has been the confirmation that liquid water once flowed on Mars. Evidence is everywhere, from ancient riverbeds and lakebeds to the presence of minerals that form only in the presence of water. But what about water today? While the Martian surface is now cold and dry, recent discoveries suggest the presence of liquid water beneath the surface, perhaps in the form of aquifers or even salty lakes. The Martian atmosphere, though thin, is also a subject of intense study. We've learned about its composition, its weather patterns, and the presence of methane, a gas that could be a sign of microbial life or geological processes. Each new mission, each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the evolution of Mars and its potential to have once harbored or perhaps still harbors life. The idea of humans traveling to Mars, once science fiction, is now possible. Space agencies and private companies are developing plans for human missions to Mars, but getting to Mars is just the first step. The challenges are immense. We need new technologies for life support, radiation protection and communication. Despite the risks, the rewards are vast. Imagine the awe of the first humans setting foot on Mars. It would mark the beginning of our journey as an interplanetary species. Looking even further into the future, some envision a time when humans won't just visit Mars, but will establish permanent settlements, perhaps even terraforming the planet to make it more Earth-like. The idea of terraforming Mars, transforming its atmosphere and climate to make it habitable for humans, is a topic of intense debate. Some argue that it's our ethical obligation to spread life to other planets, while others caution against interfering with another planet's natural environment. Colonizing Mars would be a monumental undertaking, requiring not just technological advancements, but also international cooperation and a unified commitment to a common goal. We'd need to address ethical considerations, ensuring that any Martian life, if it exists, is protected and that our presence on Mars is sustainable and responsible. The challenges are formidable, but so too is the human spirit of exploration and our drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. If we can overcome the technical and societal hurdles, establishing a permanent human presence on Mars could usher in a new era for humanity, one in which we become a multi-planetary species. The quest to explore Mars is far from over. In the coming years and decades, we can expect to see a wave of new missions, each more ambitious than the last. The European Space Agency, in collaboration with Roscosmos, plans to send its ExoMars rover to search for signs of past life in the Martian soil. And NASA's Mars Sample Return mission aims to bring Martian samples back to Earth, where they can be studied in detail using state-of-the-art laboratories. But the future of Mars exploration isn't just about sending more rovers and landers. Scientists and engineers are developing new technologies that will revolutionize how we explore the Red Planet. Imagine swarms of miniature robots exploring caves and other inaccessible areas, or balloons soaring through the Martian atmosphere, collecting data and beaming back breathtaking images. The possibilities are endless. Mars has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Long before we sent the first spacecraft to the Red Planet, Mars was a fixture in popular culture, appearing in countless books, movies, and TV shows. From the Martian invaders of H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds to the stranded astronaut in Andy Weir's The Martian, Mars has served as a blank canvas for our hopes, fears, and dreams of what might lie beyond Earth. This fascination with Mars extends far beyond the realm of fiction. Real-life Mars missions, with their stunning images and groundbreaking discoveries, have inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and the general public alike. Museums and science centers host exhibits dedicated to Mars exploration, and educational programs around the world use Mars as a springboard to teach students about science, technology, engineering, and math. The quest to explore Mars is a testament to the power of human curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our desire to understand our place in the cosmos. As we've journeyed through time and across millions of miles of space, one thing's become abundantly clear. Mars is not merely a point of light in the night sky. It's a world of wonder, full of awe-inspiring landscapes, a complex history, and the tantalizing potential for life, past, or even present. The quest to understand Mars is far from over. It's a journey that will continue to challenge our assumptions, push the boundaries of our technological prowess, and ignite our imaginations. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky and you see that reddish hue, remember Mars isn't just a planet, it's an invitation to explore, to discover, and to dream big. Keep looking up.